Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.